There, exclaimed the officer, as he led the prisoner to the van that was to take him to Caldwell, which is Caldwell Prison. If you get away from me, I'll give you your freedom. Yeah, right. If he would have escaped and went on his way, you know they would have did something to him. Ain't no way they was gonna let him go. Ali knew that though. Let's see you escape. Drew looked at the shining steel, then at the officer. Brother, Drew remarked slowly, that wouldn't be right. Justice and law must take its course. So Drew Ali knew about when love, truth, peace, and freedom is ignored, justice must take its course. Notice after he said freedom, Drew Ali put the justice hex on him. But these bastards put him in the penitentiary for 18 months for magnetic healing. Now, I was in a territory that was called the Akashics. I would go in there and sell them my herbal teas. And they had this huge copper pyramid that they would turn on frequencies and magnetic pulses. And they do that freely in these days. He got 18 months for this. But we know this is Drew because he said justice must take its course. Like I was speaking about the magistrate. There was another magistrate that I seen later on, and she looked all strong in the court and everything. But then when court was done, the clerk had to walk up there and help stand her up and put her in a wheelchair. Justice will take its course on these people indeed. Brother, Drew remarked slowly, that wouldn't be right. Justice and law must take its course. I submit to the majesty of the law. He's not submitting to their law. He's submitting to the law he knows is to come for their transgressions indeed. Drew was safely landed in the penitentiary. I submit to the majesty of the law. Of what law, though? The law of love, truth, peace, and freedom. And when that's ignored, justice must take its course. I feel sorry for this magistrate, man. But this is Drew because he mentioned justice. You can't get away from that. But we're addressing these, you know. Justice and law must take its course. He's talking about their justice that they're going to get. He's speaking about divine law, Allah's law, indeed. But this is 1919. He's already speaking of justice taking its course. So love, truth, peace, and freedom ignored, justice must then take its course. So he was on this even in 1919. But Caldwell Prison, I don't know if he did the whole 18 months or not, for magnetic healing, which people do all day today. They had an agenda against the prophet indeed. But Caldwell Penitentiary, man, I see this as a divine lesson. Because even though your conditions at one moment look down or bad, you're going through it because the people that needs to get justice for what they done, they're going to get justice. All the other people going before these magistrates don't know thyself. Ain't nothing happening. But as soon as Drew Ali go in front of one of them, they going to get their justice. And they may never be able to do it again to these people. So justice will take its course. He was willing to go through his destiny so that these people will get their justice, man. Islamism.